Did you know 70% of AI users lose their most valuable insights every time they close a chat tab? That's right. Every response from ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini vanishes into digital oblivion. I've spent hours crafting perfect code solutions only to lose them when my browser crashed. But what if I told you there's a simple tool saving all these responses into one searchable vault? Built by a Reddit user, it's free, open source, and works seamlessly with all three major AI models. No more frantic searches through old tabs, just a single place to store every insight. Imagine having instant access to that one perfect debugging tip you got from Claude last week. This isn't just convenient, it's transforming how we interact with AI. It turns every chat into a permanent knowledge asset. I've been using it daily for a month, and it's already saved me over 5 hours of rework. Let's dive into how this solves a problem we've all ignored. Right now, you're probably juggling multiple apps. ChatGPT in one tab, Claude in another, Gemini on the side. And every response is trapped inside that tab. If you need to reference a past answer about data analysis, you're scrolling through hours of chat logs. It's like having a library with no catalog. Existing tools force you to manually copy-paste responses into Notion or Evernote, something you'll inevitably forget to do. Even browser history doesn't help. You can't search through it for specific phrases. The Reddit creator, u/AI Vault, hit this wall when he lost a critical machine learning response. He realized this was universal. His solution, a tool that works invisibly in the background. It captures responses the moment they appear without interrupting your workflow. No extra clicks, no manual steps. It's designed for real-world AI use, not just theory. This solves the core problem. AI insights shouldn't be temporary. They should build your personal knowledge base over time. How does it actually work? The tool uses a browser extension that listens for responses from AI platforms. When a new answer appears, it captures the text, model name, and timestamp, then stores it locally on your device. That's crucial. No data goes to a server, so it's completely private. The search function uses a simple keyword engine. Type Python or debugging, and it instantly shows all relevant responses. It's built with React for the interface and SQLite for the database, lightweight and fast. You don't need a powerful computer. It works on Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. The Reddit user made it cross-platform intentionally. For example, if you save a response about API integration from ChatGPT, the tool tags it with API and ChatGPT. Later, searching API pulls it up instantly. It doesn't save images or long documents. But for text responses, it's perfect. The best part, it's completely free with no ads or subscriptions, just a clean, unobtrusive tool that gets out of your way. Let me show you how this works in practice. Imagine you asked Claude, "How do I handle exceptions in Python?" and got a detailed response. Normally, you'd save it in a note, but it's easy to forget. With this tool, it auto-saves. A week later, you're building an app and need that exception handling trick. Open the vault, type exception, and there it is. I tested this with a ChatGPT response about Flask 404 errors. I asked, "Why is my app returning 404?" and got a great answer. It saved automatically. Now, searching Flask 404 shows it instantly. Another example, I saved a Gemini response on SEO strategies. When writing a blog, I searched SEO blog and found it. This isn't just finding old answers, it's building a reference library. I've saved responses about AI ethics from multiple chats. Now, if I'm writing a report, I search AI ethics and see all key points. It turns your AI interactions into a living document you can reference anytime. No more hunting through messy notes. How does this compare to what's out there? People often use Notion or Evernote to save AI responses, but that requires manual copying after every chat. You'll forget to do it, and your notes become fragmented. Other extensions are limited to one AI model, like only ChatGPT. This tool works with all three, ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Plus, it has built-in search, no need to create a separate system. The AI chat history feature in some apps only works within that app and doesn't let you search across models. This is a unified vault. It's also free, no subscriptions or paywalls like other note-taking apps, and it's private by default. Browser history isn't searchable, so you can't find specific responses without scrolling. This tool makes it instant. It's the difference between a messy drawer and a well-organized filing cabinet. for daily AI users. It's the missing piece. You're not just saving answers, you're building a permanent knowledge base that grows with you. This tool isn't just convenient, it's a productivity revolution. Every AI interaction now builds your personal knowledge base. Over time, your vault becomes a repository of your learning journey. You can reference past answers to avoid repeating questions, saving hours weekly. For teams, imagine a shared vault where developers save bug solutions. The next person asking the same question finds it instantly, reducing redundant work. It also creates accountability. Saved responses about project decisions become permanent records. For educators, it's a library of teaching examples. The implications are huge. AI stops being a one-off tool and becomes a long-term learning companion. As models evolve, having your history is invaluable. You can compare ChatGPT's answer from last month to today on the same topic. This turns AI from a conversation into a cumulative knowledge asset. It's the future of AI productivity, not just asking questions, but building a memory that grows with you. Small tool, massive impact. Let me show you how to set it up. Takes 2 minutes. First, go to the GitHub page, link in description, and download the browser extension. Install it like any other extension in Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Click the new icon in your toolbar. The first time you'll grant permissions for your AI platforms, select ChatGPT and Claude, for example. Now, chat as usual. The extension autosaves every response. To search, click the search bar at the top. Type API or debugging, and it shows all matching responses instantly. Filter by model or date if needed. Click a response to view it in full context. You can export your entire vault as a text file weekly for backup. I recommend doing that. The interface is minimalist, no complex settings, it just works. I've been using it daily, and it's now part of my AI workflow. It's so simple, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. No coding required, just open, chat, save, search. We've covered everything, the problem, the solution, how it works, and why it matters. This tool turns AI from a fleeting conversation into a permanent knowledge asset. No more lost insights, no more re-asking questions, just a simple way to build your personal AI memory. I've been using it for a month, and it's already saved me hours. The best part, it's free and open source. You can even contribute to the project on GitHub. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more AI tools that boost your productivity. Let me know in the comments if you've ever lost an AI response. I've been there too. And try the tool yourself. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.